welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can easily get a custom URL for your Airbnb listing. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not suited for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb from your computer, click on Switch to Hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard, and then click on Listings option, and that will open up your listing. All you need to do is scroll down towards the bottom, and the last option here is the custom link. Click on that, and this is the custom URL. You can change it to anything which makes more sense to you, easy to remember. For example, I will call it STR Specialist, and just click on Save. All it does is it makes it easier for you to share it with your friends or family instead of having a long URL with numbers and alphabets, which doesn't usually make sense. And now I can just tell anyone to go to this URL and they will find my listing. And that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.